We're a project spine coach, and we're doing this monitoring system that help people monitor their posture over time to prevent them from spinal diseases. So we're developing this real-time visualization. So if I stand in front of this Connect sensor, it will show my my key joints and my spinal postures, and also from both the front view and the side view. And once I touch the button on the screen, it goes to this live website that's fetching data from our mobile sensor and the stationary sensor in real time, and show and summarization of your posture history. And also, we build a machine learning algorithm that's detecting whether you are in a correct posture or a bad posture, meaning you're slouching or you've been sitting in the same place for a long time. And also it shows whether you're seated or active or moving. So let's move to the back end and show you how we're training our machine learning algorithm and do this kind of smart recognition.
He's working on his workstation and he's trying to see when he's slouching or not. So he first has to calibrate the Kinect in front of it. Okay, so when it minimizes, it's done calibrating. So can you try to slouch? So he's slouching, and with the sound feedback, it says notifications that you're slouching. And when he goes back to the correct posture, it also notifies him. And so there's much more things that you can alert the user. So if he slouches more than 3 times, it shows the warning that he needs a break. And if he slouches more than 5 times, and it shows a YouTube video that he needs some kind of exercise done to release the pressure on his back. So this is a real-time website. So when he wants to see how much time he was slouching or how much time he was in a good posture, so there's a graph that shows it, and there's a big notification on his website that shows that he's slouching or either in correct posture. So this is only done when he's in his workstation. So let's say if he wants to go out and he still wants to detect whether he was in good posture or in a bad posture, that's where he will use the mobile sensor. He just places this in his spine and just turn around. This is a mobile sensor with orientation sensor that can detect the angle, and a buzzer that notifies the user, and Arduino Wi-Fi, and a battery. So every message sending and message receiving is done inside the router, so user doesn't really have to worry about the security. And say that this user is going to walk and he's slouching. Try slouching. It's going to send a real-time buzz, and then it's going to store the data on the website. So later he can still see how much time he was in a bad posture and how much time he was in a good posture. Yes.